Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to master Wrecking Ball, also known as Hammond, in Overwatch 2. He's a unique tank hero, and understanding his core role is crucial for success. Your main objective is to disrupt enemy formations, create chaos, and draw attention away from your teammates. Use his incredible mobility to quickly engage and disengage, always looking for the best opportunities to initiate a fight or escape danger. It's all about controlling the flow of battle. Hammond's kit is all about movement and disruption. His grappling claw is key for rapid traversal and setting up powerful piledrivers, which knock enemies into the air. Rolling into enemies deals impact damage and provides a quick escape. Adaptive Shield grants temporary health, scaling with the number of nearby foes, making you incredibly durable in the thick of battle. Finally, his Minefield ultimate creates a wide area of explosive mines, perfect for denying space or finishing off grouped enemies. When engaging, aim to piledrive directly into the enemy backline, targeting vulnerable damage dealers or support heroes. Immediately activate your Adaptive Shield to absorb incoming damage and survive the initial burst. Remember, your goal isn't always to get eliminations, but to create space and opportunities for your team. If your health drops below 150, don't hesitate to grapple away and reset. Always look for chances to boop enemies off ledges or into your team's line of fire. For advanced play, try combining your piledriver with Minefield for maximum impact, trapping enemies in a deadly explosion. Practice intricate wall climbing techniques with your grappling claw to approach from unexpected angles, catching opponents off guard. Effective communication with your team is vital. Call out your engagements so they can follow up with damage. Prioritize high-value targets like enemy healers or snipers to cripple their team's sustain and output. Mastering these tactics will elevate your Wrecking Ball gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.